Moving rail freight will soon come with an improved air quality for the workers and residents near the Port of Tacoma. All because Tacoma Rail will become the first short-line railroad in the state of Washington operating battery electric locomotives. With the support of our congressional delegation, the Federal Railroad Administration, State Representative Jake Fye, and the Puget Sound Clean Air Agency, Tacoma Rail received federal and state funding replacing 2 of its 14 diesel switcher locomotives with battery-powered ones that emit zero pollution.
It's just super exciting to be on the forefront of this type of technology and bringing that to the Tacoma and its community. We have a great opportunity to get some battery electric locomotives for Tacoma Rail. They'll be the first in the area, and what's so exciting about the ones that come to Tacoma Rail is that they will be powered by Tacoma Power, our sister utility, which is mostly hydroelectric power. So they'll be the greenest in the area.
Switcher locomotives maneuver rail cars through tight curves of the rail lines at the port before handing them off to the larger locomotives that haul freight around the country. Funding for the purchase should be available by 2025.